Imagine this. It's 2005, and you're huddled around a clunky old computer. Beep boop. You click on a brand new website called YouTube. On the screen, a guy named Jawed stands in front of elephants. He grins, scratches his head, and says, "These elephants have super long trunks." That's it. Just 18 seconds. But that tiny video was the spark that lit up YouTube, changing how we watch, learn, and share everything. Welcome to Believe It or Not, the show where weird is real and the truth is stranger than fiction. I'm your host, Bryan, and today we're zooming back to the first ever YouTube video, a short clip that started a video party now watched by billions. Imagine a world with no YouTube, no funny cat videos, no gaming tutorials, no dance challenges. Back in 2005, phones were just for calling, and computers were slow. That's the sound of our modem connecting. In the days before 5G, wireless internet, and super fast upload and download speeds, you used to have to connect to the internet with a phone line. It was slow, tedious, and time-consuming. Watching videos online? That was a very big deal. Then, three friends, Chad, Steve, and Jawed, wanted to make sharing videos as easy as snapping your fingers. So, they created YouTube. Jawed made the first video at the San Diego Zoo. It's him, some elephants, and 18 seconds of, "Wow, look at those trunks." That tiny clip, it got millions of views. After that first video, kids started posting silly skits. Grown-ups shared cooking tips. Even teachers put science experiments online. By 2006, YouTube was so huge that Google bought it for $1.65 billion. That's enough to buy a gazillion pizzas. Now, every minute, people upload 500 hours of video. Every minute! Imagine watching videos non-stop for a week in just 1 minute. That 18-second zoo video started it all. Now you can learn to draw, watch Minecraft tips, or even see astronauts in space. All on YouTube. Kids like you are making videos too, sharing stories with the whole world. Now, it's your turn to think about the story. But before you do, here's a little elephant joke for you. Where does an elephant keep its spare tire? In its trunk. Now, let's imagine you could upload your own video to the very first YouTube. What would your video be about? How would you get people excited to watch it? And can you imagine a world without YouTube? What would be different about it? And finally, who's your very favorite YouTuber? Let me know your answer in the comments. Here's my takeaway. Big things can start small. Sometimes just 18 seconds is all it takes to change the world. That's it for today's episode of Believe It or Not. The first YouTube video may have been tiny, but it started a global video revolution that's still growing today. You can even check out my YouTube channel at Bryan's English Club. Next time, in episode 91, we meet Dan Jensen, the guy who's eaten only pizza for 35 years. Is it pepperoni power or cheesy madness? Until then, keep wondering, keep learning, and remember, sometimes the truth is weirder than fiction.